you still have to earn the respect, whether you're female or male. And I just think maybe sometimes as a female you might get challenged a little bit more, like you really don't have any business being on the site. And I actually like that part. They'll ask me some questions and then I just give it to them, and then they're like, oh, you're not just somebody from the office. I'm like, oh yeah, no. And of course the most favorite part is the whole job stops when you get there. It's like, have they not seen a woman before? Just keep going, work. Like, what's the deal? So yeah, no, but other than that, it's you still need to earn it and show you know what you're doing. My best advice to anybody is to write down just 5 things that you want to get done that day. And they have to be obtainable. You know, they can't be huge things that are going to take you a majority of your day, and so then maybe it's only 3. But just hard work and not being afraid to go after it and bump heads with whomever you got to bump heads with, and don't back down.